Handling and safety instructions for Simunition conversion kit for M249 Mini-Me C9 machine gun using Simunition Bleu feed tray. Clear weapon. Raise feed cover. Remove all ammunition. Lock bolt to the rear. Visually and physically inspect weapon to verify clear. Point weapon in safe direction and pull trigger. Move bolt to forward position. Lower stock. Remove recoil spring and rod. Remove gas piston, bolt, and carrier. Remove lethal bolt by moving cross pin to left. Replace with conversion bolt. Remove original feed tray. Replace by Simunition Bleu feed tray. Return piston and conversion bolt carrier assembly to weapon. Pull trigger to move bolt to forward position. Replace recoil spring assembly. Replace stock. Lubricate conversion bolt. Place blue conversion indicator on barrel. Tape converted weapon for recognition. Place belt of 5.56mm FX in feed tray and close cover. Conversion will only work with linked ammo, no magazines. 100 round ammo bag works best. Returning weapon to operational status. Clear weapon. Raise feed cover. Remove all ammunition. Lock bolt to the rear. Visually and physically inspect weapon to verify clear. Clean bore with .22 caliber brush included in kit to verify no lodged projectiles. Switch barrels if dedicated for training use only. Point weapon in safe direction and pull trigger. Move bolt to forward position. Lower stock. Remove recoil spring and rod. Remove gas piston, bolt, and carrier. Remove conversion bolt by moving cross pin to left. Remove Simunition Bleu feed tray. Replaced by original feed tray. Replace with lethal bolt. Return piston and bolt carrier assembly to weapon. Hold trigger to move bolt to forward position. Replace recoil spring assembly. Replace stock. Remove barrel indicator and marking tape. Inspect for proper functioning.